Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account on Saxo Bank. So right now we are here on their website and we want to open an account. So we click here on open account and then we can select here Saxo Trader or Saxo Investor. So we click here on Saxo Trader and then right now we need to fill in a lot of information. So we will do this real quick. Then right now we click here on sign up. And now they send a 6-digit verification code to our email address. So we need to check this and fill this in. Right now we did the code correctly and now they are telling us please log in with your account. So make sure that we now fill in our password that we created right there. Then we do login and boom, there we are. Now we are having our account and now we need to do a lot of steps. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.